Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is up to date and your account is backed up, because changes can overwrite layouts. Once done, open Settings, then Controls, and choose Custom Layout. You want to see joystick and skill buttons on screen. This is where you'll move items. Make sure to disable any third-party overlays or screen recorders first, since they can block touches or misplace icons. Now you'll reposition controls and tweak sensitivity to match your hands. You should drag the joystick slightly inward and spread skill buttons with natural thumb arcs. This reduces misclicks. Then, adjust camera and skill sensitivities and immediately test in a practice match for about 10 to 20 seconds. If you use dual thumbs, enable tap-through or advanced settings to prevent accidental inputs. These changes improve precision by aligning on-screen controls with real motion. Save your custom layout and give it a clear name, then create an alternate layout for different hero types. You must test both in bot matches for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm button reach and sensitivity under real play. If touches still misregister, clear the game cache, restart your phone, and test again. As a final measure, reinstall the app. If that fails, check for screen protector interference or faulty touch hardware as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.